up, guys? It's your girl Reina Raquel, and you're back in my kitchen. That's right, I'm back cocinando mi cocina. Ooh. That means cooking in my kitchen. So today I made my famous homemade chili. That's right, my famous homemade chili. Woo. It's A1. So stay tuned. Follow my recipe. Be sure to subscribe and smash that like button and drop a comment below. Let me know what y'all think. Much love, guys. Peace. Alright, so first things first, let me get into the ingredients that will be needed. You will need onion powder, garlic powder. I ran out of fresh cilantro, so I'm using my backup. Some adobo, coconut oil just to coat my pan, as well as hot chili with beans, some pepper, sofrito, some more hot sauce. This is optional just because I like my stuff real spicy. So in case this doesn't do it, I'm adding more hot sauce. Then you will need sliced carrots. I'll probably be using about half of these because I'm not a big vegetable person. As well as you've seen earlier, I had a full onion. I only used half. A whole small green pepper and 2 scallions. I usually use celery, but I forgot to buy some, so I'm substituting my celery for some scallions, and that was 2, I don't know, strands, heads. 2 scallions. Then, what else is optional is your hot sausage. Once again, I love my stuff spicy, so I have 2 hot sausage strips here, chopped up, as well as a pound of ground chicken. You can use ground beef if you like, but I prefer chicken or ground turkey. There you have it. Let's start cooking.
Yes, what the rock?
In the pot, I'm going to put it on a medium to high heat. I have mine right now at a level 5. I'm going to coat my pot with coconut oil just so nothing sticks to the bottom and ruins my pot. There we have it. Set that aside. Make sure I get my utensils. Get that nicely heated up. Cook the sides. Okay, first we're going to add our vegetables. I lied. First I'm going to add my meat. Cook and brown my meat first. So I'm going to add the pound of ground chicken. And the hot sausage. Getting the lid helps cook the top quicker, so that's the reason why I grabbed the lid. I'll be back in about 5 minutes, guys. Stay tuned. Alright, guys, so 3 minutes has just passed. I'm going to lower my heat to a low to medium heat, about a level 3. And I'm cheating, but I'm not one who eats a lot of beans. I'm going to put this whole can, plus this whole can filled with water. Kind of a job sometimes. Come on. It's that, guys. I almost lost you there as my camera was sliding. So I added all the chili. Now I'm going to fill this up with water. Here we go. Get all the flavors out of the can as well. I may add another half a can of water. I just want to see how thick this looks. Crank this back up to 5. See how hearty this is. See the beans, the carrots, you got the greens in there, nice peppers. Yes guys, I'm going to add another half a can of water. Oh boy, it's starting to lightning outside. Oh, I know y'all heard it. I told you this is the perfect time for chili. Okay. So now it's back up to a level 5. If you see any flickering in the background, folks, that, my friends, is lighting. Y'all see that? I'm telling you, it's a perfect day. Perfect day for some chili. Especially like, yeah, wet, rainy days, snowy days. Like, how can you not want some chili? So, yeah. So I have it here, guys, as you can see. Let me show you how pretty it looks. Look at the beautiful colors. Beans, not too much, not too little. Now you can add another like can of beans in here, or another can of chili, however, if you just want to, like, you know, cut some corners. I'm not big on beans. I know. What Puerto Rican don't eat beans? This one. So yeah. Alright guys, so I'm gonna let that finish cooking. I wanna say give or take 20 more minutes. Because I want all the love that I put into it to simmer and come out and caress your soul and fulfill my tummy. And yeah, I'm ready, guys. So stay tuned. 20 minutes. I'll be back.